Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the mirror command. So within the modify section you can either find the mirror button or you can type mirror and you've got the choice here. So it's going to ask you to select all the objects you want to mirror, so I'm going to select this entire shape and I press enter. Now first point of the mirror line, so I'm going to select this corner here, this end point. And as you can see, I can now bring it around. I want to make it uniform with that endpoint and that. So once you click, it's going to ask you, do you want to erase the source object? The source object is the objects that you highlighted within the mirror command. So I'm going to click no, and that keeps it. If I click yes, it would get rid of that original left hand side of that drawing. And that is the mirror command. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.